What's up everybody, and welcome back to a quick unboxing of the new camera that I bought, which I'm pretty excited to try out as well, the Insta360 Ace Pro, because I'm going to use this in tomorrow's video when I'm going to unbox the Sonos Ace headphones. So yeah, pretty funny that they have almost the same name, so that's why I want to use it for tomorrow's video when I'm unboxing the Sonos Ace headphones as well. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of this, and I'm pretty sure that this gonna be a great POV camera to test out as well, to unbox or film from that point of view. So as you can see, plastics off. By the way, I had the GoPro Hero 5. I've had that camera for maybe 5-6 years now, and I love the GoPro Hero 5. So when I saw this one, I was really excited to buy this one, because first I wanted to buy the GoPro Hero 12, but since I saw that this has some better features when it comes to night mode or night filming in general, better camera on this. So yeah, let's see how you open this up. Okay. Oh yes. So here's the camera itself. So you can flip the screen. Oh, let me just, okay, you have to press the buttons on the sides. So you can flip this and have this as a selfie, on selfie mode as well. So pretty neat, this screen. Like I said, I had the GoPro Hero 5. I love that camera. I had that for like 5-6 years. I had it with me when I went on vacations for the kids. They wanted to film something. It was a perfect camera to use. So let's see what's in the accessory box. You got the USB-C. Yeah, USB-C. You got the mount. Let me just open this and see how this looks. So this is the suction mount that you get if you want to suck mount this on something. And then we got okay, so you got this one, because I bought one extra. I didn't think that they were going to include this mount accessory. Let me just check this out. Let me just open it. I think they are identical. I'm not sure. I bought this from Temu. Let's see how. Okay, so it is a little bit bigger, as you can see. Looks a little bit better. But yeah, this one is included, in case you're wondering. So let's put this to the side, and this as well. So let's just take a look at the camera itself, because I just love this flip screen. Let me just unbox this as well. This I bought from Amazon. No, Temu as well. So if you're wondering where you can buy this, this is the name of it. I think it was like $20 on Temu. Then you can I'm gonna show you how you can wear it, because this was pretty neat when I saw this on Temu, so I just had to order it. So let me just quickly okay, so let me just put this to the side. Let's put this, let's take out off this tab. And then you just click this in. Yeah. So once you click this in, I think I will need, yeah, we can take this off. So we can use the one that they added in the box. We can just take that off, put this like this, and then I just want to show you how this looks, because I think this is going to be a neat way to have your camera on. So this is like a necklace. So you put that in, and then you can just angle your camera however you want. Let me just put this on. Be right back. So guys, this is how it's gonna look. You can angle it in a very far direction, or you can have it like this. And if you have this flip screen out as well, you can just put it back up. So it's gonna be more like a POV kind of angle if you wanna do something with your, if you're out driving or bicycle or whatever. It's pretty neat to have this. Now we're gonna try this out as well. We're gonna run and do different type of test with this necklace kind of holder for this camera, but that's gonna be more test in other videos. I just wanted to show you that this is actually pretty neat. So I'm gonna unbox my Sonos Ace in tomorrow's video with this camera, to see what kind of footage we're gonna get from this type of camera as well. So yeah, let me just take this tab off. So that was one protective screen. I think I bought, yeah, I bought some protective for the screen as well from Amazon, and I bought another selfie stick. Let me just open this up. So I've seen this stick in many other videos. So you can put this in any angle you want, as you can see. And there's a, inside of this there was a mini type of tripod as well, so you can have this, as you can see, like this. You can just put the camera on top here and have it like a selfie stick or a stand or whatever you want to do with it. If you want to film yourself having the camera on the table, you can do that as well. So pretty neat. So guys, this is the necklace I wanted to show you in this video, and we're going to use it in tomorrow's video. So if you are interested in what the camera, how the camera looks like when you're having it like this, I'm going to use this in tomorrow's video to unbox my Sonos Ace. So yeah, so guys, that's what I wanted to show you in today's video. Oh, we got some protective screen here as well, so we took that off as well. So that's how the camera looks like without all the protective stuff on it. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to show you in today's video. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video when we try this camera out to unbox my Sonos Ace with Insta360 Ace Pro. See y'all in the next one. Bye.